Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 6. We'll present about hydrolysis of palm kernel cake by manganese enzyme toward protein content. This project, the lecturer is Dr. Muhammad Zaidi bin Matisa and group team. The first Angel Alessandra Sebastian, and then Citra Yulana, me Tamara Dwi Jayanti, and the last Muhammad Zulfakhil bin Desnaldi. So, talking about our research, hydrolysis of palm kernel cake by manganese enzyme toward protein content, we should know what is the poultry meat. Poultry meat is an important source of protein for most Malaysians, especially broiler meat. From President Abdul Rafi said that the poultry meat sector has contributed positively to the nutritional and economic aspect of Malaysia. So, what the problem of this research? Poultry meat is so expensive and unstable to the corn and soybean import, and then palm kernel cake is rich in fiber, inhibiting chicken nutrient absorption. This figure show that location 14 poultry farm sample and their management system in Kelantan, Terengganu, and Pahang East East. The objective of this research is to hydrolyze from kernel cake from Malaysia Agricultural Research and Development Institute or MALTI, Kuantan using manganese enzyme to increase protein content for chicken feed production. So, what is the benefit of hydrolysis? The first, decompose meaning or anti-nutrient, and then reduce intestinal viscosity, and then prebiotic, and then the last, improve chicken body weight and immune system.
Okay, next we move on to the economic analysis. So the economic analysis is an analytical technique used to understand the macroeconomic situation of a country, including monetary policy, fiscal policy, and national income levels, as well as the potential for this macro factor. And apart from that, economic analysis can also be used in fundamental business analysis to understand the potential of this macro factor. And then this economic analysis also be used in law, especially in the term of contract and criminal policies. For the project cost estimation, the total cost of labor is 104,000 more ringgit, and for the part B is 841,000 more ringgit. The total of cost of equipment is 90,000 more ringgit. For the site location is 52 million more ringgit, and for the expenditure cost here is 271 million more ringgit. For the estimation of capital cost, the total of capital cost is 318 million more ringgit, and for the work capital cost is 31 million more ringgit, and for the initial investment cost is 360 million more ringgit. Next, for the control cost, for the production cost, the total is 358 million more ringgit, and for the cash inflow for 1 year is 262 more million ringgit, and for the 5 year is 1 billion more ringgit.
Now we get to feasibility analysis, and there are 3 points in feasibility analysis. The first is net person worth analysis, and the second rate of return analysis, and the last is pre-protocol analysis. So because the nominal NPV is positive, then this project is can run. And we get ROR is 21%.
Next, for the budget monitoring control or BMC, there is involved several things such as monitoring, adjusting a company's budget and cash flow. So the business remain on track to achieve financial goals. And for BMC includes also identifying cause of deviation and taking corrective action if necessary.
Assalamualaikum. So I will explain about time and resource management. Time resource management is a crucial in project and task management, focusing on optimal allocation and use of time to achieve goal. It involves planning, prioritizing, and monitoring action to ensure tasks are complete within defined time frame. Effective time management boosts productivity, avoid delay, and enable organization to meet deadline. Technique like Eisenhower metric, Pomodoro technique, and Gantt chart improve efficiency. Project planning and scheduling are integral to a larger project management system. So at the side is the Gantt chart that we're using in this project. So let's move on with project network analysis. Project network analysis is a visual representation of project process, aiding in planning, scheduling, and managing large project. It involves generating a visual representation of project tasks and dependency, emphasizing the order in which activity must be completed to achieve project objective. Two popular methodology for project network analysis are the critical path method and the program evaluation and review technique. This tool help optimize resource allocation, manage risk, and ensure effective project execution. In this project, the network flow starts from left to the right with the arrow indicating precedence and flow. So I will continue with human resource and management. Human resource management is a strategic approach to managing personnel within an organization to maximize performance and achieve overall success. It involves tasks such as recruiting, selection, training, and development compensation, and benefit, performance management, and employees relation. Effective requirement strategy help organization attract and employ suitable candidate with the necessary skill and qualification. Training and development program help employees improve their skill, boost morale, and promote engagement and satisfaction. Fair and competitive compensation plan, including healthcare and retirement program, attract and retain skilled personnel. Human resource management ensure that organizations have talented and motivated employees who contribute to their success and growth. So the other resource that apply in this project is first financial resource management. Financial resource management is crucial in project management involving planning, allocation, and control of monetary asset to achieve project goal. It ensures a project stay within its budget, make the best use of available finance, and link financial decision with strategic goal. In the case of enzyme hydrolysis, it involves careful planning, monitoring, and management of financial investment for research and development. So the last is physical resource management. Physical resource management involves coordinating tangible assets like equipment, material, and infrastructure for project operation. It involves understanding project specification, identifying necessary resource, and optimizing resource allocation. It also includes space and energy use, waste management, and sustainability protocol.
Greetings everyone. Today I will be presenting a concise overview of our project's approach to quality management, risk management, and project closure process. Let's get right to it. First off, quality management. Our project is guided by several ISO standards. The first one is the ISO 9001:2015, which it focuses on satisfying customer needs and continuously improving processes. The second one, which is the ISO 22000:2018. It ensures the safety of our chicken feed production with a strong emphasis on controlling microbial contamination. The third one, which is the ISO 14001:2015. This helps us to manage our environmental impact and promoting pollution reduction and waste reuse. The fourth one, which is the OHSAS 18001 and ISO 45001:2018, which it prioritizes workplace safety, minimizing risk through effective control measures. And lastly, which is the ISO 50001:2018, which it aids in managing and reducing energy consumption in our production process. Each standard is a commitment to excellence in our operation. Moving on to risk management, we identify and prioritize risk, including biological and chemical risk impacting feed safety, operational risk like equipment failure, supply chain and regulatory risk which can affect production and marketability. Financial risk arises from market volatility, and environmental risk related to waste management. By using tools like the risk matrix, we effectively manage and can mitigate these risks. As shown here, we have the risk matrix reference. Finally, let's talk about project closure. This crucial phase, which includes a smooth transfer of project deliverables to the client, a detailed preparation with an inventory of assets and pre-handover meetings, a structured implementation process including training and documentation handover, finalization with client sign-off and a formal closure meeting, post-handover support through a dedicated team or helpline, and a thorough documentation of all activities and feedback. This comprehensive process ensures a successful project handover and ongoing operational success. That is all for me. Thank you.
Alright, after we presentation about this project, we have some conclusion. These are the poultry feed production engagement project utilities management enzyme to hydrolyze palm kernel cake present a feasible and sustainable option for poultry feed production. And then the recommendation including enhancing enzyme efficiency and feed production efficiency. And the last, a system risk management approach, comprehensive project closure and post-handover support, long-term success and customer satisfaction. Alright, that's all our presentation. Thank you for listening.